how to change your username on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on Roblox PC easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to roblox.com. This is the website. Now go here to the top corner, click on this little icon, click settings, and after you click settings, now all what you have to do here, click on account info, and here you will find the username. Click here on this little icon and the username, and now as you can see you will be able to change your username from here easily. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much.